Alright guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. Today's adventure. I've already made 4 videos today. Four videos. That's, so if they all get published, this will be the 5th one. Getting kind of crazy. I just made one about the unboxing. I just kind of opened the quicker stuff rack up, but I got to put that away here in a second. But here's the deal. It's supposed to start raining here in about 10-15 minutes. And my buddy Ron has been saying that I could park a couple of bikes down at his place. And I kind of need to, because I've got another bike coming today. It's being delivered. I need space to work in here a little bit. And I have another trike coming in a few days. So I said, you know, it's real nice to have neighbors that are willing to help you and do things for you like this. And you know, he's kind enough to give me some space in his garage to park a couple of bikes. So we're getting ready to shuttle a couple of these bikes down there to his place. Of course, he might say it's really nice to have a friend and neighbor that's got all these e-bikes. Because the agreement is, I told him that I will only park the bikes in his garage if he promises that they're going to get ridden. And he doesn't want to ride them, but he's a nice guy. You know, he's that kind of guy. No, I don't want to ride them. I want you to ride them, Ron. So if you're watching this video, Ron, get out there and exercise these bikes. Ron's got family coming in for Thanksgiving, so he's got, you know, a couple of folks coming in. And so I think we've already got that worked out, where when they arrive, they're going to be able to go riding with Ron, do some e-bike riding with some of my bikes. So they're going to have those 2 for sure, maybe even a 3rd one. I'm not, no yet. So that's the plan. I think he's headed down. I think he's going to walk down so he can ride one back, and I'm going to grab one and ride down with him and then walk back. By then it'll probably be raining, so maybe I should do something with this. Put this away real quick. I wanted to monkey with this, maybe even get it put on the truck, but I think I don't need to put it in that stinking box. Let's just set it down over here somewhere. Set it on this table. So I want to see how all this goes together, but not if it's raining. Unless it's a light rain, and then maybe I can back the truck up. Maybe I can do that. Maybe I can back up the truck, get it into the garage here a little bit. I can still be in the garage out of the rain and do something with it. I don't know. We will see. We will have to see. All right. But I am excited to get those racks. All right, Ron, I just heard from you a minute ago. I don't know if he's going to respond. He hasn't responded. And I just felt a raindrop. Oh no. Oh no. Raindrops are falling on my head. I got a couple of raindrops, yep. Starting to get raindrop spatter over here. I'm not feeling anymore, but I see them. They're on the truck. So, all right, Ron. I may just take him down to his place. Make it easier so he doesn't have to come all the way down here. Maybe I should do that. And then walk home with my camera on. I don't know. We'll figure it out in a minute when he responds. I don't know if he's even ready. I think he was ready. So let's see. That's what this video was supposed to be about, and I don't want to talk about other stuff. We're just shuttling the bikes down to his place. Hey, here's a grand idea. This camera, it doesn't have a pause button, but it has an on-off button. Okay, so Ron was delayed. I just put one back, put the Emma back. I'm going to take this one. He said I could come down, so I'm going to run down there real quick. It's starting to rain, but it's a light rain, so that's okay. And maybe I should power this up and get it going. I'll just walk back in the rain a little bit. Hopefully it won't rain too hard before I get back. Whew! Man, I tell you guys, this King Bull is so nice. Feels so good. That pedal resistance is so smooth. I might get a chance to make a 6th video for today, because if it doesn't rain this evening, Ron and I might just go out and do a little night riding tonight.
Oh, the big boy.
Yep.
Let's see. Think we ought to angle it a little bit?
You do whatever you want to with it.
You suck.
I'll put the kickstand down and however you want it.
See how it works.
I'm going to start walking because it's starting to rain, so I'm going to start walking and go grab another one.
Oh, well, I'll go with you. Wait a minute.
No,
Were you going to bring 2 or
I'll just bring one more for
you
now.
were going to bring trike?
At some point I
It
will,
don't
but we don't
matter.
have to right now. It's starting to rain.
Let me
so.
go with you.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. Let's go.
Mine I'll put on the end and the trike.
Yep.
We might switch the trike and put it back up there.
Yeah, I appreciate your real friends let you use garage space for all your e-bikes. I know you don't, my friend.
Oh, you don't need no other help, do you?
Well, yeah, I'll bring 2 more. We'll bring the
okay.
trike and one other one.
All right.
We'll bring 2 down, if that's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't care. Whatever.
I'm going to give you the... I think we're going to take this one. I'll take the ad motor trike. I think is what we'll take. And put it down there.
Oh, the little one?
This one. The ad motor.
Isn't that the one your wife likes?
Well, she likes them both, and she hasn't quite decided what she wants to do yet. So,
Okay.
so we'll just take this one down. Let me put this one out of the way so I can close the garage door. Which one do you want to ride? You want to ride that one, or do you want to take this one?
I like the trike. I'm not
All right.
going to figure out how it works.
I can remind you. I can show you again. I'll find my garage door opener, closer. Oh yeah. So with ad motor, you have to hit the button on the battery.
The button on the battery.
Yep, the orange one right here. You got to press and hold it for a second, right there in the back.
Here.
Yep. Lower that seat.
I'm not going that far.
Couldn't hear you. What was that?
I said I hadn't ridden.
Oh, I thought you had.
No, I didn't know.
Oh. Those handlebars are a little low for you.
Yeah, but I'll just do that.
Yeah. Lowering that seat will help a lot.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's not that time. You press on to get you right back.
There you go. Now he's got to walk back.
I do. That's all right.
I might take
Nah, no need to do that. It's not raining that much. Just remember, when you cut to go into the driveway, swing wide so you go in there straight. Whoa, that's the wrong driveway. I was about to go to the wrong house. I saw the garage door open. Ugh, that would have been silly. Right up into somebody else's garage.
I'll back this one in. That way it'll back up next to the other one.
Sure.
And then yours. We'll put in there and then mine. Might have to angle them a little more.
Just for a little bit, Ron. Just for a little bit.
Hey, I'm not worried about it.
I know, but I'm not going to leave them down here for too long. I mean, for your family while they're here and stuff, and by then I will have things worked out and I will have figured something out. And
Does this have a lock brake?
on the right handle.
Park brake?
Yep, on the right handle.
This one?
It
Can I put this
is.
down?
I think it's the right handle.
Yeah.
Yeah, the button.
Okay.
Now this rack is a little
We'll
wide.
just
Let
do
me
that one the same way, huh?
spin this around.
I'll figure something else. I might put one right here.
Well, there's plenty of room right here.
Yeah. I've got them boards down there. Found over in Cross Creek, they was throwing them away.
Yeah.
A buddy of mine brought them over to me.
Yep.
So I thought, well, I might make some nice shelves. I don't know.
Yep, it sure would.
So,
Sure would.
of course, what do I need more shelves for? You know? Hey, that worked. That's still working good. So we wired that.
Oh, the
You
light?
wired it.
Wired what? Oh,
Taped it up.
the light? Yeah.
Yep. It still was.
It's not working now.
Cause I ain't got it on yet.
Oh,
Waiting for the thing to cycle in. Oops, I didn't hold it long enough.
there it is. Nice and
Yeah,
bright.
It's been, yeah, it's been working.
Looks like it might need to be.
Adjusted down.
Yeah, it's a little high, isn't it? Adjust that down a little bit for you. Something like that. Maybe I can't
Yeah,
see
we'll
where
do
it's
some
at.
night riding.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe it'll stop raining later and we'll get a chance to get out. That'll be fun.
Yep.
Well, thanks for letting me do that.
Them look good in here. Yeah.
Don't they? Marsha's
You know
gonna
what I like?
Marsha's gonna walk out and have a fit now, isn't she?
I like this. No, she won't.
Okay.
I like this. I was looking at them. I guess
Oh.
they bolt onto this, but they got wood on theirs.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
You know, and I'm not a fan of the wood.
Not a fan of the wood either.
But that's a nice little basket.
It is, and I prefer when the basket mounts directly to the frame and you
Right.
don't need this.
Yeah.
I'd rather use this just for how it is.
Well, the one
just how
they've
it is.
got, it does mount to this.
Oh, do they?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Because I was looking at. By the way, they had that Ocelot
The Ocelot.
for $1,099.
$1,099.
Yep. It was a Black Friday sale. I just saw
I've
it this morning.
I'm seeing some really good prices
Yeah.
this year for Black Friday.
Yeah.
Some really good prices.
It's that time of year where up north, see, they're not selling probably.
That's right.
You know,
Got cold up
so-
there, and they got new stock, new
Yeah.
stuff coming in, and they're trying to get rid of it.
There we go.
All right, my friend.
All right.
I need you to put some miles on those while
You
you've
want
got
me
them.
to- Huh?
I need you to put some miles on it while you've got them all.
What, this one?
All of them.
I ain't gonna do that to you.
I want
I feel guilty as hell.
I'm getting rent free right here, unless you're going to charge me for it. So
I'm not gonna charge you nothing.
that's why. That's
what's
why
this?
you need to ride them. I'm going to come over here and flatten your tire just so you have to ride them.
Do you want me to run you down the car?
Absolutely not.
I will.
Nah, it's
Your camera all wet.
it's waterproof. I can stick it down in the lake if I wanted to see what's down there.
Okay.
I thought about putting it on my fishing pole and just.
All right, if we get a chance,
Oh,
why,
what was
we
that?
got a little night ride or something. I don't know what that is. You know,
That may have been something that came on. I don't know.
yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, well, we'll see later. Maybe.
right.
You take care.
You too.
All right, guys. No, I would say thanks to you.
No, I don't want you to.
I got to go look for FedEx.
I like the look of this.
It does look pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Later.
Take care,
Yeah, Ron, he's a good guy. I like Ron. I like hanging out with him. I like riding with him. All right. So let's go see if FedEx or UPS showed up. Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews. I'm walking. And here comes Tom hobbling around. So Tom had surgery on his hand recently, and he's hobbling around because he needs surgery on both knees, apparently. He's out here getting some exercise. Probably say hello to him again, too. Not on camera, though, so you're going to have to look down. Wow. Later. Okay, guys, I don't know. I'll cut a lot of that out because it's unnecessary. But anyway, no reason for me to rant and talk and all the way back home. It's going to take me a hot minute. So, yeah, anyway, that's it for this short video. Give me a thumbs up. See you guys in another video real soon.